Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel 9a to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both to get free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now to use it, you need to set it up by tapping on the same options in both apps. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, choose whatever you want to and tap on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of for Google Pixel and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a few though, just for example. When you finish, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it? In here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad, allow camera access, and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hit Receive button. Whatever you decided, just wait. Close an ad. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!